Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Redmi Android phone. And sometimes we don't like the default lock screen, whether password or pattern we use during the setup on our Redmi Android phone. And as a result of that, we may decide to change the lock screen code right here. And for you to do that, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can change from one lock screen on your Redmi Android phone to another one entirely. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Just like what you see right here, this particular phone here is PIN required to unlock. So you can decide to change from PIN to pattern, or better still, you can decide to change from pattern to password or what have you. So I'm going to simply head over to enter my PIN right here. So having entered my PIN, I'm going to have access back to the Redmi Android phone. Now, for you to change your default lock screen pattern or password or your PIN, what you need to do is head over to your settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Having opened up your settings, scroll down right here and make sure you go to security and privacy. The other security and privacy, scroll down right here and make sure you look for device unlock. Click on that. The other device unlock, scroll down right here and make sure you click on screen lock. So from screen lock right here, you will still be required to enter your unlock password. So I'm going to enter my PIN right here. Then it's going to unlock the phone. Now here you have about 4 different ways by which you can unlock or by which you can choose screen lock to your Redmi Android phone. You might decide to choose swipe to unlock. You might decide to use pattern to lock your screen. You might decide to use PIN to lock your screen or password to lock your screen. Or better still, you might decide to put it in non-screen lock. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.